people, I think we are off again. Oh, this will be their second try. Supposedly they're working on the fifth wheel right now. Should be fixed by the time we get there, we're hoping anyways, and we'll be ready to continue this journey. All the fingers are crossed. I'm gonna leave this place for about 3 months, and hopefully by the time we get back, everything's still all here. Anyway, wish us luck. See y'all. Bye.
Okay, guys, we were supposed to leave on Thursday, April 18th or 19th. I've lost track.
I think it was.
I think it was 18th. Anyway, today is Wednesday, April 24th, and we are finally leaving for Virginia. We're hooked up. Rex is all taken care of. Ruby's attached to him, and we're all four of us are ready for a ride. Here's Gary.
Hey guys, a little happier today than last week, but it's all good.
So the clock says we'll be getting there at 5:19 tonight. We'll check in with you guys then. Bye. Okay, people, we're in Virginia, about an hour away from where we're finally going to check in, and we are at a Love's truck stop getting some gas, and boy, is it crowded. Gary's going to pull in this big rig to get some diesel. Here we go. Morton, Virginia.
Just got here.
Just got here. And it's the last night of our 7-night stay. And damn, this looks like this would have been a fun campground.
Lots of bike trails. All kinds of stuff. Oh, frisbee golf, bike trails.
They had a water park.